Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Citi online account statements and tax documents, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Citi homepage in your web browser. Locate the sign on button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Click on sign on to access your account. Enter your user ID and password, then click sign on again. Once logged in, navigate to the account services or documents section. Look for the option labeled Statements or Account Statements. Click on it to access your account statement preferences. Select the option for electronic statements or online documents. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions for electronic delivery. Ensure your email address is correct, as notifications will be sent there. After confirming your settings, click Save or Update to finalize the changes. Now, navigate to the Tax Documents section, usually found under Documents or Tax Information. Again, agree to any terms and conditions presented. Check that your email information is correct for tax document notifications. Click Save or Update to secure your selection. You should now receive your account statements and tax documents electronically. Keep an eye on your email for notifications when new documents are ready to view. Log in anytime to access your documents directly from the Citi account dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.